Hi, I'm Don. Today we have a quick test of the Warpaints FANATIC Triad system. This video doubles as a how to paint Ultramarine Blue armor. The flexible Triad system is conveniently labeled at the bottom left of the bottles. Today we will paint this Ultramarine Captain and we'll use the Vivid Blues Triad system. Most of the clips are kind of sped up to 2 times the speed because you might find the video boring. So if you want like the slowed down version and the tutorial longer version, it's at Patreon as usual. But I do hope you still find this YouTube video, this shorter video, useful. I'm Don, welcome to our studio. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. And of course, this channel won't be possible without the support of you, my subscribers and patrons. Also watch until the end of the video for our tip time. I primed this miniature with a spray can. I started the painting with the darkest shade of the purple Triad system. I apologize because it's my advanced painter syndrome. It's like not following a set of Triad system, which is the Vivid Blues, makes me feel like I'm a better painter, but I'm really not. It doesn't really matter if you follow the whole Triad system, to be honest, but it was designed very well. Seriously though, I tried the purple as my underpainting for the painting of this blue armor so that I could see the flexibility of the Triad system. After painting the purple as our underpainting, we proceed to painting with Regal Blue, which is the second darkest color in the Vivid Blue Triad. I painted the purple all over the blue armor of the miniature. And in order not to waste my painting, my purple underpainting, I kinda painted the purples, no, not the purples, but the blues in a non-metallic metal style painting. I made sure that I could still see or I could still show the underlaying colors. However, hopefully, you could see the insane coverage of the Warpaints FANATIC. You practically do not need to build up colors from the darker colors if you want a really quick base color. Now we proceed to the third color of the Triad. Royal Blue is the third color in the Vivid Blues Triad. Being the third color, this is actually your first option as your base color. Like I said in my previous couple of videos, you have two options as your base color, the third color and the fourth color. You have the option of a darker base color, which is this third color, and you have the option of a lighter base color, which is the fourth color. Now we paint with Crystal Blue. This is the fourth color and is your second base color option. This lighter base color is your perfect base color if your painting method involves a lot of washes, even oil washes, so that it doesn't darken too much. Much like the previous colors and the succeeding colors, this base color, this fourth color, has insane coverage. Due to the insane coverage, practically you could all use these colors as your initial painting or initial color or as your base color. This is one of the strengths of Warpaints FANATIC. So you don't really have to paint layering like in the manner that I'm doing right now, but I just wanted to see or to show you that using the whole Triad system will give you very nice layering. I still recommend you mix all of the colors as you layer up so that you produce a very smooth blending or transition. However, you see in the video that I'm stippling as I apply the other paints or the succeeding colors. This allows me not to blend all of the paints or mix too much so that my painting is a little bit more efficient. I restrained myself not to do glazes here so that you could see the actual layering of all these colors. However, I did like use fluorescent paint to glaze some areas of the model. I'm painting this fluoro paint around the left side of the model, which is the source of light. The fluorescent paint kind of blends my layering a little bit, and of course it adds a little bit more saturation. I applied 2 thin coats of the fluorescent glazing. Make sure that you let dry in between coats. Now you could also use the blue tone and dark blue tone Warpaints FANATIC washes. You may apply the washes and even the fluorescent paints all over the model, but once you do that, you have to reapply or repaint the highlights. So in this video, I only applied the fluorescent glazing in between the highlight colors and the base colors. Now you see me in the video going back to crystal blue, which is our lighter base color, and I'm painting it around the areas in between the highlights and the base color. This refines my highlighting or make it smaller. The stippling of the lighter base color gives the illusion that my highlights are very fine. Now it's time for our tip time, or basically my initial impressions of the Triad system. During my unboxing video of this Warpaints FANATIC complete set, my initial impression with just looking at the bottles, the Triad system and the colors are very well designed. Using all the colors in the Triad system will allow you to be more efficient in your layering or painting. I think the colors are designed both for learners or beginners and advanced painters. I immediately saw the flexibility of the Triad system when I used the purple shade or the purple as my underpainting. Using all of the colors in one Triad system will result to a very dynamic painting. However, you lack a bit of color depth. So, I would recommend that you bend the Triad system a little bit by using a different underpainting or darker color, and then also using different highlight colors. I actually use Brigade Gray, which is a neutral whitish gray color, as my highlight color for this painting. However, I thin this with Warpaint Stabilizer and a bit of water so that it's a fat glaze. What really makes this Triad system work is the simple labeling at the side of the bottles. This is genius on the part of Army Painter. So even though I do not have a paint rack that holds like 6 colors or 6 colors in a row, I have like 8 colors in a row, which is a bit of a problem. It's easy to find the other colors. I hope this video, although a bit short, showed you the effectiveness and the efficiency of painting within the Triad system. But in my next videos, we will explore bending or twisting this flexible Triad system by using other underpainting and highlight colors. Also, I think I need to simplify my videos by showing a specific color within a Triad system and not all of the 6 colors within the Triad. However, do tell me if this format works for you, if you find it a little bit more easy to follow. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Until next video, guys. Cheers!